Imagine biting into perfectly crispy fries or savoring juicy golden chicken, all without the guilt of excess oil or the hassle of complicated cooking. This Topzee 2.1 Qt small air fryer makes this dream a reality, blending cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to transform your kitchen game. Whether you're a busy professional, a college student, or simply someone who craves healthier meals without sacrificing flavor, this compact air fryer is about to become your new best friend. Let's dive into why this mini marvel is stealing hearts and appetites in 2025. Why the Topzee air fryer stands out. The Topzee 2.1 Qt air fryer isn't just another kitchen gadget, it's a lifestyle upgrade. Powered by 1,000 watts of advanced air frying technology, it delivers restaurant-quality results with 98% less oil, making every meal a guilt-free indulgence. Its sleek, space-saving design and intuitive features cater to everyone, from kitchen novices to seasoned home cooks. Here's why this air fryer deserves a spot on your countertop. Healthier meals, same great taste. Craving crispy fries or tender wings. The Topzee air fryer uses rapid hot air circulation to achieve that golden crunch without drowning your food in oil. Enjoy your favorites with up to 98% less fat, perfect for health-conscious foodies. Versatile 7-in-1 cooking. With 7 preset menus, you can air fry, roast, bake, or reheat with a single touch. From snacks to full meals, this air fryer handles it all, making it a must-have for small households or solo cooks. Perfect for small spaces. At just 2.1 Qts, this air fryer is tailor-made for apartments, dorms, RVs, or cozy kitchens. Its compact footprint doesn't compromise on power, delivering crispy results for 1 to 2 servings. Effortless operation, adjustable temperature, 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, a customizable timer, and a shake reminder ensure foolproof cooking. Even if you've never cooked before, you'll feel like a pro. Hassle-free cleanup. The BPA-free nonstick basket and tray are dishwasher-safe, while the exterior wipes clean in seconds. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your creations. Solving real cooking struggles. Let's face it, cooking can be a chore. Bulky appliances take up space, oil-heavy recipes weigh you down, and cleanup feels like a punishment. The Topzee 2.1 Qt air fryer tackles these pain points head-on. Its compact design fits effortlessly into tight spaces, while the non-stick basket eliminates stuck-on messes. The auto shut-off feature adds peace of mind for busy multitaskers, and the 7 preset menus take the guesswork out of cooking. Whether you're whipping up a quick dinner after work or experimenting with number air fryer recipes for your next Facebook post, this air fryer makes cooking fast, fun, and frustration-free. Who's this air fryer for? The Topzee 2.1 Qt air fryer is a game-changer for busy professionals, short on time, prep delicious meals in minutes with minimal effort, college students, tight on space and budget. This air fryer delivers dorm-friendly meals without breaking the bank. Seniors, simple controls and safety features make cooking accessible and stress-free. Health-conscious eaters, love indulgent flavors but want to cut calories? This air fryer's 98% less oil promise has you covered. Small households, cooking for 1 or 2? The 2.1 Qt capacity is just right for intimate meals. Pros and cons of 2.1 Qt. Topzee, small air fryer. Pros, compact size. 2.1 Qt. Capacity is ideal for small kitchens, solo cooks, or couples, saving counter space. Healthier cooking uses 98% less oil, producing crispy results with minimal fat for guilt-free meals. Versatile presets. 7-in-1 presets, e.g. fries, chicken, steak, simplify cooking various foods. Adjustable settings. Customizable temperature and timer allow precise control for different recipes. Shake reminder, Alerts midway through cooking to ensure even browning and crispiness. Easy cleanup. Non-stick, BPA-free basket, and dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning quick and simple. Fast cooking. Cooks food quickly, perfect for busy schedules or quick snacks. Cons: limited capacity. Small. 2.1 quart size may not suit larger households or bigger meals. No additional functions. Lacks multifunctionality like baking, roasting, or dehydrating found in larger models. Potential noise. Some compact air fryers can be loud during operation due to convection fans. Learning curve. May require trial and error to perfect cooking times, especially without a preheat function. Final thoughts. The Topzee 2.1 quart. Small air fryer is more than a kitchen appliance. It's a gateway to healthier, tastier, and easier meals. From its 7-in-1 versatility to its non-stick, dishwasher-safe design, every feature is crafted with you in mind. Ready to revolutionize your cooking? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and grab yours today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel.